Hi everyone, I would like to apologize for being gone for so long, but today I am coming with a V-part wig that I have thoroughly enjoyed because it's for 4C hair and I don't have to worry about lace and glue and all of that extra stuff. So this Afro Kinky unit is 18 inches long and it is sponsored by ft.CurlsCurls. There is a stabilizer to keep everything together, and of course I'll need to make the texture look more natural by washing and brushing it out. Now you already know that we gently wash in a downward motion to avoid tangles, and we take our time because we do not know where this hair has been or what chemicals were used during the process. Next up is the brush, my favorite brush. It prevents excess shedding on my natural hair as well as my extensions, and I seriously cannot live without this brush. So I'll link it down below along with all the hair details, so be sure to check out the description box while you're here. And it is time to rinse. I won't be using conditioner this time. I just don't see the point with extensions, but I am making sure I thoroughly rinse the shampoo out to avoid dryness later on. I have a simple wash and go policy. Keep it undefined. So I'm going to moisturize and detangle, and that's it. I'll start by sectioning my hair in medium-sized sections so that it's easy to work through. Since the hair is so thick, I just can't brush it all out at the same time like I would with straight or wavier textures. I need to get every single tangle. And one thing I like to do is treat my extensions the way I do my natural hair. That way when I'm styling my natural hair, detangling my natural hair, washing my natural hair, suffering with my natural hair, it's not so burdensome because I'm already used to doing this when I'm doing it with my extensions. So the routine stays generally the same with a few tweaks here and there. Now the first thing I'm gonna use is the oil, just a small amount and some gel, and it was a tester that was sent to me. I really love the bounce that I get when I brush this hair out. I'm going to open up the part and get ready to style. There are 4 clips in the V-part area, 2 combs on each side, 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable elastic band to just secure the wig nicely. My leave out is almost as long as the hair, which is a plus, but you can always do this with short hair because natural hair textures are more forgiving. Make your leave out anywhere between 1 and 2 centimeters wide. Anything more would just be excessive, anything less might not be enough. And all I'm doing is just parting down the middle and wetting my hair to activate the shrinkage. It blends nicely and I'm just fluffing it out to add volume and get a better shape because I'm going for that diva cut look. We have options. If you want a stretched out look, you can quickly blow it out. This is what I love to do when I don't want to take more than 10 to 20 minutes. Like 20 minutes is actually stretching it because even if you're slow, you know, you'd have to be ridiculously slow to do this in more than 20 minutes. But first, wet a medium-sized section of hair with water and stretch it out nicely. Next, use a Remington blow dryer brush on the highest heat setting to lightly stretch and dry the hair. I like brushing the ends as well, but this will give a nice fluffy blowout effect that can transition into an easy braid out, a twist out, roller set, wand curls, bantu knot out, whatever you want. And I'll be keeping my hair stretched out for now, but the styling options are endless. Now this is optional, but I'm passing the comb through just to make sure the hair is nice and even, lightly combing, not doing too much damage. And typically I'll do African hair threading on my leave out if I'm doing a kinky straight or blowout texture, but I forgot. So I'll just wet my hair and stretch it out a little bit and then blow dry on cool. If you like to use heat, but my hair looks just like the extensions even before using the blow dryer, so the heat is not necessary. Of course, it will shrink too much if I don't dry it immediately, but after parting, it looks perfectly natural, and I just love the fact that I don't have to worry about lace at all. So what are your thoughts? Sound off in the comments down below, and be sure to check out Curls Curls. I will be back with another video, and this time I won't be gone for too long. Thank you so much for watching as always, and take care of yourselves.